Number one, that's y equal to sine into 3x squared plus 2x, and y equal to cos into 5x squared plus 3, and y equal to tan into 6x squared plus 8. How do you attempt something like this? Very simple. Remember, this is under the chain rule of the composite function, or you can also call it function of a function. You get it? So here is the solution to this problem. Now, for clarity's sake, I will divide this problem so you can understand clearly. Now, this is the first question we have here. Y equal to sine into 3x squared plus 2. Now, you can see that in this function we have here, y is a function of sine, a function of 3x squared. So we can see we have a function of a function, y a function of sine, a function of 3x squared plus 2. You get it? So at this point, this is how we are going to solve it. We can say let a equal to 3x squared plus 2. What this means is everything in this bracket has been assumed to be a. So we assume that a is equal to 3x squared plus 2. That means anywhere we see 3x squared plus 2, we are going to replace it with the alphabet a, or with the variable a. Now, this implies that y is equal to sine a. Y is equal to sine a. Why is it like that? Because we know that a is equal to 3x squared plus 2. So therefore, y is equal to sine, in place of 3x squared plus 2, we are replacing it with a, because a is equal to what? 3x squared plus 2. You get it? Now we are going to differentiate them separately. Now we can say the a over the x always starts with the first one. If you differentiate a function of a and x, you are going to have the a x. So if you differentiate 3x squared plus 2, you are going to have what? 6x. You are still finding out to find differentiation hard. You are still finding differentiation hard. Just check it down in the comment section. I will drop the link on how to master differentiation. You get it? After you watch the video, come back here so you will not miss out. You get it? Now, 6x, if you differentiate 3x squared plus 2, you're going to have 6x. Now let's differentiate the next one also. If we differentiate this, we are going to have the y over the a. Now, the y over the a means you are going to differentiate sine a. And if you differentiate sine a, you are going to have what? Cos a. You get it? Now, our dy over our dx is equal to the a over the x times the y over the a. You get it? Now, our dA over dx is what? 6x. So this will give us 6x times cos a. 6x times cos a. So if you multiply 6x times cos a, you are going to have what? You are going to have 6x cos a. Now we need to know something. We know that a is equal to what? 3x squared plus 2. So this will be what? Our dy over our dx will be equal to 6x cos, in place of a, in place of this a, we are going to replace it with what? 3x squared plus 2. Because we know that a is equal to what? 3x squared plus 2. In place of a, we are left with 3x squared plus 2. And that's our dy over dx for the first function that we have here. You get it? So we are going to proceed to the next one. We can take our ii. That's y equal to what? Cos into 5x squared plus 2. 5x squared plus 3. So that's for the second one. This same approach that we did here, that's what we are going to, that's the approach we are going to use also to do this. So we can now say, you can choose any alphabet as you're watching this video from A to C. Choose one. I choose A at this point. Which one will you choose? Think. What do you choose? Alright, let's take C. We can still take any alphabet, we can take D, we can take F. I don't know for you, but alright. Let's just take B. Let's take B. We can say let B equal to 5x squared plus 3. That means anywhere I see 5x squared plus 3, I'm going to replace it with B. So this implies that y is equal to what? Cos b. Because b is equal to 5x squared plus 3. So this is y equal to cos 5x squared plus 3 is known to be what? B. That's how I have cos b. And I say we are going to differentiate it separately. If you differentiate this, you are going to have the b over the x. And the b over the x will give you what? 10x. You differentiate 5x squared plus 3. You're going to have what? 10x. I will drop the link on how to differentiate properly in the comment section. You get it? Now, let's differentiate this next one. This is what? The y over the b, which is equal to what? If you differentiate cos b, you differentiate cos b, you're going to have negative sine b. You're going to have a negative sine b. You get it? Now, if you have a negative sine b, we can now say our dy over our dx is equal to what? The b over the x times the y over the b. And remember, our db over dx is what? 10x. So this is the same thing as what? 10x multiplied minus sine b. You get it? So this will give 10 times minus sine will give you minus 10x sine b. Remember, b is equal to what? 5x squared plus 3. So this will be minus 10x sine 5x squared plus 3. And this will be our dy over our dx. That will be the final answer for the second function. If you know you have been following what I've been doing very well, because I know you are watching. So if you're following what I'm doing, try this last one and drop the answer in the comment section. Bye.